In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your rewards and wallet on Booking.com. Knowing how to access and utilize your rewards can be a fantastic way to save money and really make the most out of all your future travel plans. So let's dive into it, step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to Booking.com. Make sure you've gone to the official website, as this is key to keeping all your account information safe and secure. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. You can do this using your usual method of choice, whether that's with an email and password or through a connected account. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the web page. Here, you'll find your profile icon. It's represented by a small silhouette of a person. This icon is your gateway to accessing personal features on Booking.com, so go ahead and click it. Once you've clicked, a drop-down menu should magically appear. Within this drop-down menu, you'll want to look for the option labeled Wallet. Selecting this will take you to a page where all the magic happens. Your rewards, credits, and promotional bonuses accumulated through Booking.com will be neatly organized for easy access. As soon as you're on the Wallet page, you'll be greeted with a comprehensive list detailing your available rewards. These might include cashback incentives, promo credits, or even travel discounts from bookings you've made in the past. This section is particularly helpful for tracking your savings, allowing you to see exactly what rewards are at your disposal for your upcoming trips. If you have any active credits, they'll be prominently displayed right here, ready for your next adventure. You can apply these rewards towards accommodations, flights, or other travel-related expenses, which really enables you to stretch your travel budget further. And just like that, you now know how to quickly access your Booking.com wallet and rewards. Regularly checking your wallet is a great habit because Booking.com frequently introduces new promotions and special offers that can further optimize your savings on future bookings. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I truly hope this tutorial proves to be helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell if you want to see more Booking.com tips and travel guides from us. Happy travels, and may your wallet always be brimming with fantastic rewards.